Hey everyone, how's it going? So, I'm sorry, let me just position the camera a little bit better. Starting to build my PC right now. It's Monday. The unboxing just went online. And, yeah. We're going to be unboxing a lot of stuff. Now keep in mind, I'll be naming the parts specifically. The price, the total for everything you're about to see here is $1,100. Okay? It's a lot. It's tons. It's expensive. But you're gonna get a gaming rig that's basically just as powerful as spending $2,500 on like an Alienware desktop. Maybe. Okay? But we're about to unbox everything now. Keep in mind I did... Hold on for a sec. Whoa. Keep in mind, I have built a computer before, so this isn't my first time. This is my first time building a hardcore computer. And as a little bit of help when you know I need it, I'm going to be using the Maximum PC. I subscribe to this magazine; they're great. And I actually used used them before to build an PC. Alright, so let's get right to it. This is my case, the Cooler Master Storm Enforcer. They discontinued this, so you can only buy them online, but it's amazing. You're about to see the whole design, so let's unbox everything, and it is ginormous. I don't want to break this box, but I kind of have to. This thing just doesn't let up. Come on. Huh. I really don't want to break this box, but... Alright, hold on. This might be better. Alright. Here's the computer case. I'll show you guys in a sec. This is a mid-tower, by the way, meaning that it's not... Meaning it's like the middle, the height, it's middle, you know, so... That's a good way to explain it. There's full tower, which is like just a ginormous, you know, freaking like, you know, size of an aircraft. And then there's mid-tower. This is a mid-tower. And as you can see, it's ginormous. Here's the case. The Cooler Master Storm Enforcer. What's really cool about this case, it comes with a 200mm fan, one right here, and then I believe it has one back here as well. So it comes with two ginormous fans. Here's the front. Here's the side. It does have a little window here, which I really like about it. The back, right here, and then the other side. Now, what's really cool about this case is one of the reasons why I wanted to get it in the first place is take a look. Where does the disc tray go? There's this door that opens, right? And you put your disc tray in here. And it's just a protective door right here. It's really cool. Supposed to snap on somehow. Or it doesn't snap on, it just goes like that. But I thought that's one of the reasons why I really like this case. So it just has a little cool door, and you got two USB 2.0s and two 3.0 USBs, headphone, microphone jack, and your power button. This thing's quite a beast. So the first thing you're going to want to do when building a PC is preparing the case. That means that we take the side off and basically prep it for, you know, building. You need a screwdriver, so let me find one that's decent. Here we go. It's freaking hot here. I should probably turn on the fan. Now, the computer you're going to see that I'm going to be building is not a gaming machine, but it's going to be able to play, you'll be able to play Battlefield 3 at 1080p and still get an average of 30 frames per second, 35 frames per second. Now that's pretty damn good. And I'm talking about highest settings as well. So here's our two screws. We'll probably safe place to put them. I'll put them on my chair here. And then take this part off, alright? Here's your fan, and we got this thing in the center right here. Hold on. Let me get some scissors and cut that out. So that's the inside of the case. What we have here, I'm not sure, let's find out. These are just some connections to hook up graphics cards and other stuff. Yeah. Hard drive. Here's all your screws you need. Here's the, looks like just a, where's that go? So, I don't know. There's, the instructions are right here, so we got our stuff here. Alright, so it's pretty much fine. Our cables are right here. And then we got your fans right there. Okay, now, first thing you're going to want to do is prep the case. This requires going in here and getting all the golden screws, alright? See, there's some screws right here that are gold. See these? Those are the ones that push you, that basically stand your motherboard up so that it doesn't hit the case. We'll talk about that later. Okay, well, we're going to want to put some screws here. And basically, in the case, it's going to be labeled with letters. Basically, put the golden screws wherever the letters are. And it seems like they already have two in place. So they do kind of set it up for you, which is nice. So those just go there. And those just screw in. You don't really need a screwdriver at all for them. Just gotta make sure to go in. Let me think of something that'll make them go in. Alright. Mess with those a little bit later. Hold on. Those are alright, here. Okay, well, first of all, let's get Drake's ring out of the way. Aha. Got that. Alright, so just bear with me. I'm trying to get those golden screws to go in. You don't need a screwdriver. You don't need to use them. Yeah, well. Come on. Jeez. For tools, they didn't supply us with... Oh, actually, hold on. These are just... Alright, hold on, give me a sec. I don't want to make these videos too long at all, so... Alright, we're gonna go to the next video. Yeah.